So here is how you can reset the keyboard settings on the iPad. Let me show you how it would work, and if it's your first time in here, subscribe and we can get started. So if you go to your settings and tap on the general section, at the bottom we can find the transfer or reset iPad. And when you proceed in here and click on reset, you can see that we have some things which we have the ability to reset it to the default state, and one of them is the keyboard dictionary. So keyboard dictionary and handwriting style kind of go hand in hand, and as these are like related to typing and drawing or writing on the iPad, so you can reset both to get like a clean start on the keyboard. There are still some things which may not be entirely like reset, so if there is still something which you feel like hasn't changed, you can still come back to the general section, click on a keyboard, and when you tap on the keyboards at the top, you can, for example, delete the current language you have. So if you want to reset the French keyboard, you can delete it like this, and then re-add it by clicking add a new keyboard and choosing the the language you want. So in our case, we had the French. Let me just choose it like this, right? And we're gonna click on add a new keyboard, so you can kind of like reset the layout, right? So it depends on what you want, but with the specific language in here, I can choose from plenty of different layouts, but right, that's how I'm gonna choose it to be. Click on continue, and then now we can have like reset French keyboard on our device. So this is like yet another way to reset it by deleting the language and re-adding it back. So either go to the settings and reset it to make it like give it a full reset, or just get in here and just re-add the language once again. So I hope it helps. If you have some more questions or thoughts about this, let me know below. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you later.